Hi and welcome to my new blog. Today, this is your school of your Lola. When the student is ready, the teacher appears. That's it. No more cookies for you.
Bisa inani na po po mga bahay rin kata mga balita kasi mga bungog tako. Ya.
This is Villa Vicenta.
Oras sa wata, patay oras din. Saya gagani harata.
No. No.
Oh. Big PO. Sawa lagi ta.
This is Virama Avenue.
This one, this street. This called Guadalajara. Guadalajara.
No.
This one, Guadalajara. See?
Ame.
That's Oh, your favorite? CNT Lechon.
We're here in Tribe Therapy Center. Fair. Welcome to Barangay Guadalupe. Singson ta.
Singson ta?
No, talk papa. No.
Geng.
No.
Sama ni mo si lolo ni mo ay daghan mag-property so na pamalit.
No.
Doon sa kaari po Singson ho?
You're talking.
Ha?
Papa. Shh, mommy.
Singson ka dire?
No.
Sadya kaya muslingan mo.
This is No. This is Singson Street. Hands to yourself.
Ngayon ka, number 2 ka stay ha.
No.
Dito luyo na pamidaghan ha. Diri ka, B ha. Diri ka ha. Okay? Doon lang kasi ma-exit. Here, exit here.
Storage space will be full. The hotline number of Guadalupe.
Still close.
No. Be patient always. This is Andres Abellana Street.
There in the Tumo extension there.
Andres Abellana Street. It's because of the pandemic we can't go anywhere. Andre. Welcome to Mami. Who was that strange monkey? Dream home, here I come. This is S Hotel and Residences. This is M. Velez Street. Order this way.
Na, unsa man, pila mo katao, ma'am? Pila mo katao?
We're here in Esquina Banawa.
Group? Mo ba? Wala na media, ma'am. Na media studio, tag 9,000. Pero, ug upat, maglisod siguro mo. Kaya upat mo kabuok.
This is Esquina Banawa.
Naami one bedroom, ma'am, 10K sa Guadalupe Heights. Oh, Guadalupe Heights Village. Sud sa village. Guadalupe Heights Village, ma'am. Piri sa kuan. Tanawa lang sa imong ways, ma'am. Yeah. Village. Tawagan lang ko tomorrow kung unsa man. Wala na. Wala na. Okay.
Slow down, school zone.
Nay parking tublok na.
5 minutes to Cebu Business Park. Sundance Court compound. This is
Isud na siyudad. Mercedes.
no. There's children crossing inside the school. This is going to Forest Hills. A ticket costs money. How do you get money? You're not tilting the device correctly and slightly. This is going to Paseo Arcenas and Casa Rosita. It's alright to talk. No more parking anytime. Yes? No. Huh? This is South Point Manor.
Sugatan Miss Gawas eh, nana Miss Gawas.
That could I stop you? If you like this video, there's plenty more that we came from. Do you like us? Like and subscribe, thumbs up, and thanks for watching.